Y'all have no idea how excited I am right now. Okay. Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to finally see spoilers for the Supreme box. I am so freaking excited. You have no idea. We're gonna blind react. I've been waiting for like an hour for Anthony to get home to show me his box. I'm dying, and he said he was home. He was pleasantly surprised, and he's about to upload pictures. So, I'm so beyond excited. So if you guys are into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, I do want to mention really quick that I did purchase all 4 of the mystery boxes, and we are going to be doing a really huge giveaway. Sorry I'm out of breath. I'm just really excited. We're going to be doing a really big giveaway because I'm really excited about the exclusives. FOMO ho over here. Also, if you're wondering why I look like this, well, I was in bed watching Lord of the Rings, contemplating life, and thinking about going to sleep, okay? And then he said that he got his box tonight instead of tomorrow, and then, you know, I got ready in the dark, so that's why I look like this. So don't judge. But anyways, we will be doing a really big giveaway, so stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and check Twitter and see if he posted that. Yes! We have photos! We have photos! Oh my god! Wait a minute. 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 Oh my god. Okay, so the Supreme has 2 exclusives. Wait a minute. Is that an exclusive? Wait, what's an exclusive? Wait, I'm sorry. I'm freaking out right now. Okay, the hoodie. The hoodie is so cute. There's a hoodie. There's a hoodie, and it's so cute. There's no robe, but this is still like a really good box, and this hoodie is so cute. It looks like a baby blue with like pink details, pink and white candy cane stripes on the side. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and the other side is the, oh my god. Okay, and then he also got the red lip bundle, which we've gotten before. That's exciting. That is so freaking exciting. He also got the marbled makeup bag. Oh my god, we got a makeup bag? Oh, I'm dying. We got the black marbled makeup bag. Oh my god. And then the translucent setting powder. I've never tried his powder before. I've tried his concealer. It's pretty good. It comes in 2nd place with the Tarte Shape Tape. They're both very good. But I'm so excited to try the translucent setting powder. Oh my god, and my cheeks are hurting. I'm smiling. Ooh, okay. And then we got the cremated palette. Oh, I'm so excited. I have it right here. This is actually a really great palette, you guys. Now, these shades here have glitter fallout, like the wet formula. So, Pallbearer and Angel of Death, and I think that's all I can remember. Those have some fallout, but with glitter, but I really like this palette. I love these tones. This came in the box. There's actually a lot of cremated stuff. So that, and then we have the black marbled JSC mirror. I don't think that's an exclusive because I'm seeing another item here that I assume is the exclusive as well. So I think this mirror he's already had. Black marble mirror. Maybe. But it's so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh my god. So we got a black marbled mirror, the cremated palette, and the marbled makeup bag. So 3 items from that collection. Okay. Next, we have a Skin Frost. And I don't know what the shades are. Yes, I do. He just updated. The shade in Skin Frost is Ice Cold. Oh my god, that is such a good shade. That is the shade that actually goes really well with my skin tone. It doesn't give me a dark cast. It's like really light. I used to have it in a palette, and then I sold the palette because that was literally the only shade that looked good on me. That's so excited. Okay, and then he also got a lip gloss, and he got it in the shade Safe Word. This is another gloss that I've never owned before, which is so freaking excited. Anthony, you are literally You're the man, the MVP. You win so hardcore. Oh my god, I'm so happy that you gave us the exclusives here. Okay, and then he also got a what else did he get? A lip scrub in Blue Raspberry Sucker, which I currently have. It is currently in my shower that I've been using. That came in the last mystery boxes. And then we got the other exclusive is the Pink Star Mirror Ornament. Oh my god. We have a little baby pink ornament. I wonder if there's going to be variations with that ornament. But like, I'm so excited. I mean, obviously that ornament costs nothing really to make, and he just, you know, said, here, have this as an exclusive, but still, I'm dying over this. Absolutely freaking dying. Oh god, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm anyways, so that is everything that came in the Supreme. Am I a little bit bummed that I don't see a robe? I mean, a little bit bummed because, you know, I was really hoping it would come, but we still have deluxe spoilers. We could still get either a robe or a teddy, okay? That is what we're holding out for, but since we have a hoodie already, I doubt he's going to do another hoodie, so it's probably going to be a shirt. So maybe, I don't know. I'm just so excited. I don't really want to edit this video, so I apologize if it's kind of like, you know, it's a lot. But anyways, I'm freaking so excited. Anthony, thank you so much for sharing your box with us. And you guys already know there's going to be variations. This isn't going to be set in stone what you get. You could get a different exclusive ornament. You could get a different skin frost. You could get a different lip gloss, you know, there could be a different makeup bag, different mirror, or in a different palette. But this is so absolutely exciting, and I really love the color of this hoodie. It is so freaking cute. Like, I cannot even stand it. It is so cute. Also, I want to give you guys an update on the mini box spoilers. So we saw one person, Liza Matt, unbox two mini boxes. She got a lip gloss, a liquid lipstick, and a lip scrub, and that's what she got in both boxes. Now, somebody else had gotten their box. They got 2 liquid lipsticks and the So Effing Gold highlighter, which is kind of a bummer if you ask me, that, you know, 2 items that are valued at $18 and then a $12 lip scrub, I think is how much they are, or $14 or $16. And then there's a like $29 skin frost in the box. So, you know, the value there kind of sucks. So I'm wondering if it was supposed to be a highlighter the whole time. And, you know, I don't know. I just felt like the value was a little off there for her 2 boxes and then what somebody else got. So I just wanted to update you there. But I need to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below, okay? We need to know, are we excited about the Supreme? Are we disappointed? Are we like, you know, just, you know what I mean? Just let me know your thoughts and opinions. I'm actually pretty freaking pumped. Like, this is a really good Supreme box, if you ask me. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below, as always. And if you have any more spoilers, you see deluxe spoilers, let me know. I'm so excited. If you have variation spoilers, let me know. DM me. Oh, God. Anthony, thank you so much for sharing your box with us. Mwah. And thank you guys so much for being here watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.